So I have all these thoughts going through my head, and I'm back at the drawing board. I'm back at the drawing board thinking, Letitia, you started gardening to grow food, to figure out if you could do it. You've had some successes, you've had some failures, and you've also realized that that's part of the process. Oh my gosh, in life, in gardening, it's part of the process. So I'm back at square one. How can I move forward from here? What is this going to be like for me for the next 10 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years? I don't know. You know, for as long as I want to do this. How am I going to continue to grow as a gardener, but influence others as well? Is that possible? You know, all these things are going through my head. Of course I know it's possible, because I believe that when you have something in you, you know, you're waking up every morning thinking about it, you're dreaming about it, it's planted there, and there is purpose in there, you know what I'm saying? And so you shouldn't ignore it, because I feel like it was given to you for a reason. So I just can't stop smiling, because I'm just so excited about what's to come. I don't know what it's going to look like. I don't know how it's going to roll out, but I do know that I am just pumped up and I'm ready. I will not stop. I will get this together, and I will do what I'm supposed to do, whatever that is. So this is the beginning of a new journey, and I'm excited. I'm excited to be a part of something that's bigger than me. How do I know that? Because it always is. It always is. It doesn't matter what I encounter in this life. It always seems to be bigger than me. And I don't mind that. Because I know the Lord is guiding me and has guided me, and He has been there this whole entire time, helping me with a lot more things than I thought, and creating paths for me, and He's just waiting for me to walk down them, you know? So I'm ready for this path. I'm ready for this path, and I hope that y'all are ready to follow along and see what's to come. So thank you all so much for watching, and y'all know I love y'all. Okay, real talk real quick. You know, when you have problems, sometimes it's hard for you to help other people, because your front door, your porch, your kitchen floor ain't swept. And y'all know I'm okay admitting that, right? So in order to help others, I have to help myself. So this channel has not changed, okay, that much. We will continue to talk about gardening. We will still continue about what Letitia is doing all wrong, hoping that other people can learn from me. And I will still be asking y'all for help, because I don't know everything, but I do want to help people. And I know that I know a little bit more than they do. You know, especially a beginner gardener, because I was once there. As a matter of fact, I still consider myself a beginner, even though some people don't, okay? But I do, because I'm always learning new things, and I love to learn. But yeah, that game ain't gonna change. I need y'all. I need y'all like a whole bunch, a whole bunch. Not like, I can't even, a whole bunch. A whole bunch, because I love y'all so much. And y'all are the dopest community I have ever been a part of. The dopest. So,
Bye.
little